Welcome guys, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can pair this wireless JBL earphones with your Apple Watch. So at the first you have to remember to power off these earphones. You can make it with this button. In my case they are already turned off. So the next step, we have to use this button to move them to the pairing mode. So click and hold it and keep holding until this indicator starts blinking quickly on the red and the blue. Just like that. Right now we are able to release and then simply go for your Apple Watch. Then you have to go for the settings. You have to scroll down and go for the Bluetooth. Next, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. And then scroll down, find your earphones, then tap on it once. And as you can see, after a few seconds, we are successfully connected. So that's how you can make it with your JBL Run earphones. If you find this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.